Sunday, May 12th, weekly outlook. This is going to be another one that's short and sweet. Only got 4 pairs right now on the hot list. Jumping into our first pair, AUD Chief. I'm on the weekly time frame. We're basically hovering within this area. Okay. I'm looking to have this supply get met. So until then, I'll basically just look to take the buys up until that region. On the 4 hour, we can see where we can get a little bit more involvement into the market. So here's our more recent kind of leg area or break. Here's our high, our low. Gives a nice wick here for inducement. I'll wait for a good 15-minute development. So if we drop down to our intraday chart, basically, okay, very clear, very clean price action. So our first tap gets swept, followed by a very nice and sharp order flow realignment. The extreme demand that caused the OFR does get mitigated, sweeping some inducement on the way, expanding back to the upside, leaving some new demand to possibly take advantage of. A very, very nice LTT, so we have liquidity to take here and liquidity to target stacked up on these highs. So basically this liquidity was liquidity to take into the POI. Now we have something to target on the way out, right? So liquidity to take and to target, set up very nice. Basically during New York session, or I won't be up for London, but New York session hopefully, we'll see some sort of sweep and another realignment showing the strength and bullish intent has kicked back into the market. Look for a possible retracement into demand and then look to get long. Like I said, taking out this liquidity, breaching this high, and ultimately holding up into this area where we would look to take hedges to the downside here. Okay. Quite simple. Aussie dollar. Okay. Kind of in this extremity of the leg, taking out this inducement, first tap getting swept. Well, this wouldn't really be the first tap sweep actually, because this high put in the low, but this is liquidity nonetheless. This would be our swing point as it is the highest point. In the leg, we have our high, our low, our recent break. Jumping into the 15-minute. The supply region. Okay, very aggressive sweep here. Nice liquidity for it to take into the supply. Substructure realignment from here. This is the extreme that caused the break. Basically from this point, same sort of deal. Wait for price to mitigate, realign, pro order flow move into the new supply, and take the sells down into stuff like this if we have liquidity set up. And then further into this 15-minute leg. And then if granted, in reality, this is the week low, which would be hoping to see get met in the future. So really be nice to position ourselves to take something into this low. The pound Aussie. Alright, our overall leg, you'll see on the daily time frame is from here to here. Map that out for you. Our recent break of structure is here. Okay. If you go to our 4-hour chart, we have sort of a substructure leg here. So if we just move this a little bit, This is the true leg, so anything in this region is where you could take the sells, but because of this little substructure break and piece form that had formed here, basically we take this, play this as the 4-hour leg. So you have the 15-minute interacts in here, just like every pair. What I like to see from the 15-minute chart, basically a first tap into the supply, which we kind of have, sweeping that high. We also would be liquidating this trendline liquidity here, sharp aggressive order flow realignment, new supply formed, pullback, look for our lower time frame entry criteria, and look to trade this, right? Take it down into this low, but being mindful that this is really the ultimate leg, and the pullback, if we get one, will probably be from here and higher, right, within this region. I think this is the final pair now. Dollar Swiss, just like last week, really looking to see price meet our supply up here at 91,400 level. Okay, and from here, I'm not going to draw it out this time, you've seen it, and there's also a nice schematic right here for you. Watch for the 15-minute price action, realignment, sweep, mitigate the origin supply, show a new confirmation break, pull back into the newly developed supply. That would put us pro trend for order flow, and then look to take the sells into week 15-minute low, furthermore 4-hour low, and then even more than that, right? This is what we're anticipating to basically be weak in the long run. So if we can position ourselves in here from the supply, nice take on liquidity, we can watch the 15-minute and basically hopefully catch a position where we can hold some skin in the market, right, into these liquid regions such as all of this, right? That's basically that's gonna be it. I recorded this one later than I wanted to. Hopefully it won't take too long to upload and get out for everyone on the team in the Discord. Hope you guys had a good Sunday. Looking forward to this week. Ready to fucking kill it with you guys. Other than that, yeah, I'll talk with you guys later. Catch you guys in the morning for the live session. Yeah, that's it. Talk with you guys in the chat. See you later.